past Assistant Governor Bala Yusufu of the Rotary Club of Ogudu GRA. We do this every Rotary year, and our Rotary year is from 1st of July to 30th of June. We are every year we install a president, and the Rotary year is from 1st of July to 30th of June. So what we are having today is the investiture of our 16th president. You know, it's been a very convivial atmosphere. We are very excited, and then we are going to seize this opportunity to also launch the various projects that we want to do this Rotary year, you know, which is being announced as we speak now. And we are sure, by Rotary tradition, we'll be able to execute all these projects in the course of this Rotary year. No, the expectation is to raise the bar. You know, they must add value. The new president has to add value, just like every other president has done. You know, we are paying attention to all because there are 7 focus areas. So there are projects we mark projects for the various focus areas.
My name is Noyan Wokolo, Rotarian Noyan Wokolo. That's my name. I'm a member of this club, and today is our installation. We are installing a new president in the name of, in the person of Rotarian Debo Adebayo. That's why we're here, basically. Rotary, as a humanitarian organization, what we do is service. We do projects, and my expectation is that he will continue to do, laudable projects. And I will also expect that he will surpass the performance of his predecessor, because his predecessor has set the standard, which I believe should challenge him. You know, like I said, what we do is service. So I also expect that he will work towards increasing our membership numbers, because we are not really doing well in that regards. So I expect him to drive the membership, and maybe we'll get to 100 before the end of his year. Okay, it's just like, I think I would want him to look into girl-child education as part of what we do. As you can see, there are a lot going on in the country with regards to girl child. The other day, some female students were kidnapped in the northern part of Nigeria, and I believe that the girl child deserves more, deserves better too. I want them to look into that, to look into providing platforms for the girl child, and also, basically, that's what I want them to do, though. In the education area of education, yes, I understand that, but it has to do with capacity. He may not have the capacity to provide security, but I'm passionate about the girl child education, and I want to see him do something in that area. So yes, we've been doing a lot, but I want him to up his game in that area. For security, I think I don't think he has the capacity to do anything in that area. He doesn't have the capacity to effect the required change. But we'll continue to do our best. I continue to hope that things get better. Yeah.
That serves humanity in all ramifications, and that is why Rotary, if you know, that is one of the organizations that is recognized by United Nations General Assembly, because of its all-round activities that encapsulate the entirety of the needs of humanity. So we have been able to do that and disabuse the minds of quite a number of persons. And I think it's a good thing for us really in Rotary. And I think the legacy we have left is being built upon by subsequent presidents of Rotary Club of Ogudu GRA. I have to change so many things. Internally, I changed the concept of investiture. That hitherto, when our people want to do investiture like this, they will go and hire 5-star hotels, and by the time you do the investiture, and no matter the amount of money you gathered, you discover that what your expenditure is even more than the income, that is not enough to do the Rotary work. During my time, I changed that concept entirely, and I said, look, what we can do is to domesticate investiture programs. In other words, let us do it within ourselves. For example, what you are finding here today is being done in Rotary Club, Ogra Hall, Recreation Hall. That is Rotary, Ogurujiare. I was a president of this estate, and now I'm a trustee. And through my intervention, it has become possible for our people to have this hall free of charge. Otherwise, this hall is about 500,000, but it's being given to this club free of charge. So those are the things I do. Finally, I want as many people as possible to join Rotary because of our cardinal credo, because of the ideals of Rotary. And one thing that makes me happy is that the incoming president is a man who is exposed, who has learned the ropes. He knows what Rotary is all about, and he's been able to connect with the larger society to be able to build on the legacies we have left, to be able to carve a niche for himself. And I'm happy about it, that we'll be able to do better.
Have any vow? How do we say we are occultists? And we don't give to Rotarians what we will not give to non-Rotarians. We treat everybody at arm's length. As if whatever you are not entitled to as non-Rotarian, you will not be given as a Rotarian. So there isn't any reason why you will think Rotary is occultist. The only thing you can say is that we've been focused, we've been consistent. Yes, Rotary, like I said, is about service to humanity. That is the number one and the last. And we are highly particular about world peace and understanding. What we do is to serve humanity, do service projects, look for the communities, identify their needs. We do need assessment. We don't just come to your community to execute any project. We come to your community, we study your need, we mobilize our resources, and we provide for the society. We have what we call 7 areas of focus that we look after. We talk of water and sanitation, maternal and child health, disease prevention and control, conflict and crisis management and prevention, and basic education and literacy. We have economic and community activities, and support the environment. Those are the areas of focus that we look after. And we do nothing, we don't use government money. It is our resources. It is the 4 things we are given: the treasure, the talent, the thinking, and the treasure. So those are the 4 things we use in serving humanity. Thank you very much. Yes, my expectation is hinged on the goals set by the global body, the Rotary International. The Rotary International president charged all Rotarians world over, presidents, governors, to do more. Do more of what? Do more of service projects and grow more. What do we grow? When we do more of service projects, like the kind of thinking you are having is an occultist society, you will see that it's not occultist society, and the community will be more involved, and the likelihood of us growing our membership is there. So we are charged to do more service projects and grow Rotary. That is, increase our membership, let people see the good work Rotary is doing globally. Presently, Nigeria is in euphoria of celebrating polio-free status in the world, and Africa indeed. It's Rotary that led the vanguard. We financed, we funded the vaccine that the first vaccine in 1985 for eradication of polio was funded by Rotary. Until date, we continue to fund polio eradication.
Rotary Bamidele Onlaja is my name, from the Rotary Club of Maryland, Ikeja. Wonderful. Today is the installation of my friend Otirandebo Adebayo as the president of Rotary Club of Ogudu GRA. You know, Rotary is all about service, it's all about self-giving, it's all about sacrifice. And this year, for the next 1 year, my friend is going to lead the club to a great exploit. That's why we are here. We are here to support him, and I also am an awardee. The 07, because when they are praising him in Rotary, all the 07 areas will be appraised. So the 07 should focus his area more on the 07 because they are core service projects, the 07. So, and also Rotary Foundation. So those are the most important things he should do. And also, child and maternal health is very important for children and pregnant women. And I'm sure he's going to do that also.
My name is Rotary Ngoni Zakari. I am the president-elect of Rotary Club of Amu. Yeah, today is an exciting day actually. Otirandebo is my very good friend. He's a Rotarian. We just came to support his own cause for humanity. Now, my own expectation from him is that by the time he comes on board, definitely there are some projects which he needs to deliver. Rotary have 7 areas of focus. Those 7 areas of focus is one he will now work on it. One area I would like to pay attention is child and maternal health. That's most important from the 7 areas of focus because that's where disease prevention and then he has to do with health. That's most important.